Okay, just drilled out the lot. This is literally the first time in the house. Wanted to show you guys. Laundry room, half bath. I'm trying to open all the counters or cabinets. Looks pretty cleaned out. Fireplace. What that is. TV screen. I'll take that one apart. See, there's a room down here. Primary. Sure is. Room's all upstairs. Door. Island. First bedroom, or second really. Third bedroom. Second full bath. Another bedroom. Hello kitty. Okay, that's it.